yesterday and I played in the puddles.
Was it fun?
Yeah. And wet.
I think it's crumbly enough. I don't know what crumbly means. Tell me what we're doing right now.
We're making some brownie and we're crumbling this one.
We're making the walnuts crumbly.
Yeah.
What does crumbly mean?
It means we have to make it very, very curly and sticky.
That's crumbly?
Yeah.
Maybe not.
You are back and I can't believe it. Because look.
Okay.
See? Can I take...
Okay, take a video of Mama.
Ah! See, that's why I'm very excited. Very bad. Don't say it with me. We don't know what's Daddy doing. Louder. We don't know what... Even louder. We don't know what's Daddy doing.
As always, Daddy to the rescue. Actually, it's more of we don't know what Mommy's doing.
So go.
Do you want to go back upstairs?